Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Mary, and today we're going to be reading about morning. So, good morning. How are you today? Have you eaten your breakfast? All right. Are you ready for our second day reading class? So, let's dive in. Let me share you my screen. All right. So, it's about morning. Okay. Morning. Let us change our. Okay. He wakes up. So, I'm gonna let you read first, and then I'm going to read it for you after this. Okay? He wakes up. Let me clear that. All right. Okay, so let me read it for you. Number one, let's go back to the first page. So it's morning. He wakes up. Repeat again. He sees the sunrise. He brushes his teeth. His teeth are white. He puts on his clothes. Puts on, that is a phrase. Okay? So he puts on his clothes. His shirt is blue. His shoes are yellow. His pants are brown. He goes downstairs. He gets a bowl. He pours milk and cereal. He eats. He gets the newspaper. All right? And he reads. All right, so that is our reading lesson for today. I hope you could upload your video right on this comment, and then I'll see you after 18 days. So let's see who will win for the free bags and free shoes on July 15. See you and have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.